and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I know we've kicked off all of the festive content, and today's video is also sort of festive, but it's last minute makeup ideas for Halloween. If you guys are planning to do something for Halloween, stick around till the end of this video because there's not one, not two, but 3 Halloween look ideas that are all just with makeup. They'll be really easy to do. I want to tell you that this has actually been my first experience of trying Halloween style spooky makeup on myself. I don't know if you guys remember, but I attempted to do something last year along with my best friend Smita, who's a makeup artist. But this year I did a bunch of looks on myself, by myself, and we hosted giveaways worth over 30,000 rupees. I'm really excited to get this video started, so let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into it. Okay, so let's begin right off the bat. Let's go into look number 1. Let me first off go ahead and pop up the inspo pic over here. I am trying Halloween makeup for the first time, so it's going to take me a little bit of time till I can think of original ideas that I'm confident enough to achieve. This was easier for me because I felt like I was working towards a specific look, so I kind of broke it down and worked towards it. This look, I was so nervous to work on it, but I'm so glad about how it worked out eventually. I'm opening it up right here on my phone. So this look, as you can see, was all about that smoky eye gone wrong, almost. It looks like the eyes are bleeding. It looks like you can see red veins popping down my face. It's a little bit of a scary zombie dead woman kind of a zone. I love how the maroon lip really closed the look in for me. And I didn't really need to do much with the base. I didn't even wear concealer because I had a lot of the red and black going into the under eyes quite a bit, but I did contour my face really hard for this look. So coming to the winner announcement part for this particular look, I have to tell you, selecting winners for the Halloween series has been so difficult. We used hashtag Halloween with Aanam and hashtag recreate with Aanam. I'm hosting contests for you guys here on YouTube as well. There are some that are just on Instagram. There are some that we do on both platforms. We're trying to find the balance, you guys. If you are on Instagram, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. I tend to upload a lot of fun on the spot stories, improv stuff over there. So it was really tough to go ahead and select a winner for this. For this contest, we were giving away makeup worth 7,000 rupees. Now, we went through a whole bunch of things. I shouldn't make this process any longer. I should just go ahead and announce. The first winner for this contest, which was contest number 1 for Halloween with Aanam, was Nikita. Congratulations, Nikita. I absolutely love what you did with the look. I love how you went ahead and added that little, Wednesday, was her name Tuesday or was her name Wednesday from Adam's Family? I think she was Wednesday. Basically, I love the vibe that you had with your hair, with your makeup, with your expression, with your outfit also. You had that whole collared vibe going. So you are the winner for contest number 1. For contests number 2 and 3, there's been a little bit of a twist. We have one winner for each, but we actually also have an honorary winner, like an add-on winner of sorts for both look number 2 and look number 3. So stick around and I'll tell you what exactly that means. Okay, going over to look number 2. Fun fact, I actually shot this last. This was the 3rd look I shot, but I turned it into look 2 at the time of upload. Here we were giving away makeup products worth 9,000 rupees. But let's talk about the makeup first. I'm going to go ahead and pop up the inspiration picture over here. It is a little bit different from the inspiration picture in my opinion, just because I couldn't achieve that exact trickle, but I was happy with what I managed to somehow figure out and try. I will be linking all of my actual inspo pictures, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. Check out the original artists out as well. So the process of doing this look was not easy, but relatively easier, I would say, because I felt like I was just throwing in a whole lot of black on my face, albeit strategically. For example, for the eyes, I started out with just filling out a lot of black on my lid and then dragging it downward, and then I filled it all in. Now the key here that I realized was no neatness, no symmetry, and the opposite of everything I would otherwise normally pay attention to while working on a makeup look. Even when you come to the lips, you will see that I filled up my lips with a liquid lipstick, which is a black liquid lipstick, and then with the eyeshadow, I just dragged it all over to the side. Again, I've tried to not keep them absolutely even, that was deliberate. I wanted it to look very naturally just scratched across, pulled across, but of course there was so much effort that did go into it. Okay, so the winner for contest number 2, and oh my god, did we go back and forth on all of the entries for this one. The winner's name, actually the winner's handle, because we don't have her name, is HeyU2124. Can I just tell you that she made the effort of editing the whole, image and not just doing the look, which really set her apart from so many others who sent in their entries. But, like I said sometime back, this is not the only winner that we have. We actually have an add-on honorary winner, and she's going to get a whole host of makeup products from our end as well. One of the things in particular that struck us about our honorary add-on winner for this particular look, I'm talking about Sofia Ansari. She went ahead and did the exact same edit of my video. I don't know how she figured it out. I don't know how she did it. I had my video edited by my in-house video editor. You guys have met Divye. She edits a bunch of my videos. I edit my vlogs, and then he edits a bunch of other stuff. But oh my god, she did the exact same edit. She had participated in both the contests, the first and the second one, and she also put up a video online. So I was really impressed with her effort, and I felt like there should be an add-on, like kind of like an incentive to give her for the amount of effort that she put in. So Sofia Ansari, congratulations. Okay, so now let's go into look number 3, and this one is by far my favorite of all of the 3. I shot this second, and suddenly I just felt so much more confident of what I was able to do. I did have a reference image for this as well, and I genuinely feel like I did the best I could, and that's a good feeling to have, like I did my best, and that's what matters. I basically used a combination of browns and reds to give my eyes that sunken look. Of course, there was black on the nose, there was stitches across the lips, and I really tried to make my face look sunken with the excessive contour on the side of the face, apart from which you'll also see that I added a little bit of contour. Okay, I added a lot of contour on my forehead as well, around the temples. For this look, I also used a foundation that was about 5 shades lighter than me, so I felt like it kind of gave that spooky zone, and at the same time highlighted all these colors a lot more than they normally would on my natural skin complexion. Now, I was impressed with the kind of entries we got for this one. I was probably expecting the least for this, simply because it seemed like the toughest of the 3. We were giving away beauty products worth 14,500 on this one. I'm looking to make sure that I am getting the numbers right. I don't want to land up mixing them up. I was beyond pleasantly surprised to see the participation that was on this. So for this contest also, we have one winner, and then we have an add-on, like an honorary add-on winner. The main winner for this contest, guys, this was so tough. Dhwani and I have had like 5 or 6 calls to and fro just to discuss these winners, because it was one of those things where we were like, they're all so good. Like, someone had done a reel where she started out all nice and sweet and fresh, and then suddenly turned into like the spooky version. There were so many people who just kind of brought out their way of expressing and coming to that look, which was really amazing. So the winner for this particular look is Twisha Sethi. Congratulations, Twisha. And then we have an honorary winner, and this one really blew my mind. It was a little bit different from what I had done, which is the only reason we couldn't have this as the main winner, but the artwork here and the effort here was up there. This one goes to Simran B Artistry, where she added sequins, she changed up things around the temple, around the eyes. Just in general, it was a really great look. So congratulations to all of the 5 winners over here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that if you were looking for any last minute Halloween makeup ideas, it does come helpful to you. Please be safe, have virtual parties or in your social bubble with social distancing and all of the safety precautions. The webcam comment shout out for today goes to Grishma Jain. Thank you so much, you guys, for always talking to me in the comments. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to all of you. All the winners who are watching, make sure you check the info box for the email address you need to write into us on. We will make sure all of your beauty items reach you as soon as possible. Mwah! I love you guys so much. Please hit that like button before you go away. See you in the next one.